best interface of the site, where you can see it is the honest and efficient platform to earn cryptos. And you will get 3% guaranteed profit income in every seconds. You can see the current active deposit in Bitcoin and Ethereum in this site. It will also soon available on iOS and Android devices. The most important thing is, you will get $30 investment from this company, for free. $30 is not a low amount, so what are you thinking for? Just register and earn every second. For that, simply click on Start Earning option and fill up your registration form with required information. Also, don't forget to verify your account. After login, you will reach to this interface, where you can see my current earning. Also, there is $33 deposit from the company for free, with 0.01% bonus in every second. Not only this, you can earn more dollars by referring your friends and families. Simply copy your referral link and share it with your friends and families. And guess what? You will get $1 for your each referrals and also some bonus on their replenishment. So, don't mess around, just copy and share it with friends. Also, here you can earn $3 bonus for subscribing its Telegram channel and community group, so that you will earn $6 instantly, which is enough for withdrawal. If you want to invest in this site, just click on this invest button, then choose your payment method and invest here. Now to withdraw your funds, simply click on this withdraw button and you can withdraw your earnings. Minimum withdraw amount is only $1, which you will complete very soon. And it will give your payment instantly, so don't worry about your payment. After this, let's discuss about our second site. Just click the second link below in description box and you will be redirected to this site, where you can mine free Bitcoin, Litecoin, dollars and so on. You can see the total deposits, withdrawals and total users currently in this site. This site is running since 25 days. So, we can trust it. We also can buy several plans to mine our Bitcoin rapidly, but we are here to work for free. So, let's not focus about investing right now, but if you want, you can invest in your own risk. We also can earn free Bitcoin without investing, from which we can get 3% profit daily. So, for that, first click on Register, fill up your required information here, and register your account. After registration, check your Gmail box and verify your account to log in. After verification, just log in to your account. You will get power of 100 GH per second for your free mining instantly after you log in. I am using all 100 hash rate here to mine dollars, and you can see my balance here. You can also mine other cryptocurrency as you like. Here in deposit section, you can deposit some amount of money from your wallet, so that you can mine your currency more faster and can get withdraw more rapidly. To make withdraw, just click on withdraw and choose your currency, enter your amount and simply click on withdraw button. First, cross your minimum withdraw amount to get payment. You will get your payment directly into your account without any problem. Another way to earn profit is by referring your friends and families. On doing so, you will get extra 5 hash rate for each registration done from your referral link, also some bonus hash rate from your level 1 and 2 referrals. So, simply copy your referral link and share with your friends and families to earn more. To mine your currency, just drag this blue line to 100%. Now let's go for our third website. Simply click on third link below in description box, and you will see this type of interface of the site. In this site, you can mine Bitcoin very rapidly, and it's free for all users. Also, this site pays 50% commissions on the affiliate program, which we will discuss later. However, here we can mine Bitcoin for free, but if you want to invest in this site, you can invest on your own risk. I am here only to inform you about free plan. To register your account, simply enter your Bitcoin wallet address over here and create 4 digits PIN, and enter your account. It starts mining automatically after login. You can see my earning here, and I am also using free plan in this site. But if you want to mine more Bitcoins very faster than this, you can purchase and upgrade your plan. Down here, you can update your email address to get important notifications from this site. And here in affiliate program, you will get 5% affiliate bonus if you refer your friends and families through your referral link. So, simply copy this link and share with your families and friends. At last, to withdraw your Bitcoin, simply click on Withdraw, and you can see minimum amount to withdraw is just 0.002 Bitcoin. Simply enter your wallet address, amount and withdraw your Bitcoin without any problem.